Hey, what's up, guys? So yeah, today's video, we're back at the Tuners Invade, and there's a shit ton of cars here from last time when I actually came here. I can't wait to get out and kind of show you the cars lined up. You know, people are in their car club teams, and it looks kind of cool. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna get out, and I also I'm parked at the well, not the very top, but in the top that has, where you can park your car slanted, right? So what I'm doing, what I'm gonna do is kind of like unveil the car to you guys. That way you guys can see everything that I've done. Everything that I've done so far with the car leading into the, let me try to get you out the glare, guys. Everything I've done leading into these car shows that I'm, especially for the one that's tomorrow, which is the Slam Babe car show that I'm registered in. So yeah, I kind of want to show you guys the car, show you guys, the other cars that are here. I'm hoping I don't get demonetized because there's somebody playing really, really loud Spanish music to my left. So I'm hoping I don't. I'm trying to talk over everything so that there isn't any like dead space that the YouTubes can pick it up. So, but we'll see. We'll really see, and then we'll go from there. So, yeah, let me get out the car. Let me set the camera up, and we'll get this going. Let's go. What's up, guys? So yeah, I just took a little bit of a break. It's one of those weathers that's like there's really not a lot of wind and it's not like blowing or anything, so it's like hot. You're in a garage, you know. I'm not like super sweltering out there, but it's just like over time you feel it, you know what I mean? So I'm taking just a little bit of break, and I'm also allowing this phone, because I'm running out of space, to upload into the into my iCloud. So I'm letting that do its thing. There's a lot more cars than what it was from before when I came here with my brother and his girlfriend. And yeah, definitely a lot more cars, definitely a lot more crews you could see. I'm loving the response that I'm getting from people. Like, you know, I walk by, you know, people that didn't even know I drove the car up here. Apparently I'm the only G35 throughout the event. I didn't see not one other G35 that's here, other than the one that John is trying to sell, that I put in that other video for you guys. He's still trying to sell that one for the 6K. But I'm the only G35 here. He's one of the photo guys. They're taking a picture of the my car. He's right down there. Hopefully you guys can see him. So yeah, like I said, I'm the only G35 here. And it's cool because I'm walking by people that didn't see me drive the car inside the event, and I'm recording, you know, because I love cars. I'm you know, I parked my car up, I wiped it down, the whole 9 yards. And I'm literally walking by people, and they're like, yo, yeah, they got a couple nice cars here, but did you see that G35 down there, that black one? Like, no BS. It was two separate groups, and like 4 people separately was just like, yeah, they got a couple good cars. They, you know, the Rocket Bunny Pandem kit on that FRS, and then, but did you see that G35 down there? Yo, one person was like, yo, it legit looked like the Batmobile. I was like, yep, I did it. I did exactly what I needed to do to the car to get that same response. That's what makes me, again, it's cool. People like it. That's dope. That's, you know, I'm when you make cars, y'all, when you start a build or whatever, you do a build because you're trying to fulfill a goal, right? And albeit whatever that goal may be, you know, putting together a car from nothing to something, or if you have a theme in mind, hey, I want to do this to my car because I like this theme, you know, that's dope. You know what I'm saying? That's the dope part about this entire thing. And yeah, it's cool to know that, you know, you get some good feedback, some good reception. People are like, yo, that's hard. You know what I mean? And that means a lot to me. You know what I mean? It really does. And even if they didn't like it, I'm like, okay, cool. I need to figure out maybe how I can, you know, change certain things and make things a little bit more appealing. Because, again, it's not people's opinions that's going to make me change anything. It's, yo, maybe they right. It'll make me take a second guess at maybe something that's questionable that I did. And I know this is 2 minutes in right now, this spiel that I'm saying right now, but at the end of the day, like I say, it's one of those things. Hey, look at that guy. That's my brother, apparently. He just popped up out of nowhere. He's at the event. Let's see if we can have some dialogue with him and some conversation. There you have it, guys. Another Tuners Invade in the record books. That like I say, every month, John, who is the you know, he's the sole guy. I mean, there's a lot of other cogs in play, but you know, he puts it together every month, and every month there's always something new to see over there. If you thought you saw something before 1 month, you come there, it's something else new. You know what I mean? So that's what's dope about that event. For me specifically, that, and again, I'm extremely grateful for John for allowing me to because I just had a media pass, right? I just had a media pass, but John allowed me to put my car up to the second level, because I explained to him, I'm like, look, I got my first car show tomorrow, right? And this is the first time this car is being seen or whatever. But he did allow me to put my car in, and I'm extremely grateful for him for doing that. Which is is dope because so many nobody knew that was my car, right? I parked it up there, got out the car. There were still people coming in. They were coming in droves. It was just crazy. And as they're coming in, I'm hearing people. I'm recording other cars and everything, and people are saying like, "Yo, that G35 down there," like I was telling you guys in the clips, right? And that I was like, "Yo, that's cool." Again, I've always said this. I always say you never make your cars, you never build your cars for anybody else but yourself, right? You never do that. Just whatever you feel comfortable in what you do with your car, let that be you and you alone, right? Don't put yourself in a world of debt trying to appeal to your friends or people, outside your circle. But the good part about it is I was literally in earshots of people saying so much good things about my car. Like, it also helped to be like the only G35 there, you know what I'm saying? And so that was dope. I was like, I couldn't believe the amount of people that was like standing around my car and taking pictures and looking at it really close. It was so, one person, I don't know why they stood there, but they stood, it was a group of them. They stood and like got really close to my hood. I don't know if they were trying to figure out if the hood was real, right? Like, okay, maybe they thought it was rap. I don't know. Maybe they thought it was the dope hood, but they probably thought it was rap. I'm like, nah, that shit is definitely carbon fiber, because my bank account could definitely attest to it was carbon fiber for real. But aside from that, I laughed at it. I didn't feel no kind of way about it. It just was funny that it happened that way. But love the event. Definitely going to be going to a lot more of them. I'll put the Instagram down here. If you guys are in the Central Florida area, Tuners Invade. Like I say, I'll put the actual pop up the Instagram right here, and I'll have it in the description down below, so that you guys, if you're in the Central Florida area, even if you're in Tampa or whatever, anywhere around, this area, go for it. It's a dope event. Trust me, it's a dope event. But anyway, that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed, saw some cars in there that you kind of was like, oh, okay, nice. And like I always say, guys, stay humble, stay grateful, and stay driven. One.